Tatay Ram, ito yung tarpaulin nila, oh. Ayan, ito po yung napakaganda po nating tarpaulin. Batang May Laban Day Fans Group. Founder Tita Mona Lisa Robilar, and happy 3 years anniversary, guys. So, yan. Ayan po yung mga naggagandahan at naggagwapuhang mga member and founder. The co-founders, Batang May Laban Day Fans Group. Ayan po sila. At syempre, the Magnificent Group, admins, Batang May Laban Day Fans Group. Ayan po sila. Ayan. At syempre, ang ating founder, Mona Lisa. Founder Mona Lisa with Kuya Dave. Ayan. Batang May Laban Day Fans Group. Ayan. Beautiful. Admins, Batang May Laban Fans Group. Ayun po yung mga pangalan po nila. Thank you so much. Again, yung ating pong food sponsors and tarpaulin, Tita Nympha Tejero Humphrey, Maria Birkenhead, Adelza Tolentino, and Indong L. Uy, ang sweet naman ng mag-asawa, oh. Ramjack. At sa ating food sponsors and tarpaulin, Magnificent Group, The Three Darling, Mara Advincula, and Tess Cordero. Thank you so much po sa Batang May Laban na talagang palaban. Boy Hiwa, nasa na po ang ating